So now we are going to receive this pending transaction. It will be very similar to opening a transaction. So we just go back here, going to open, receive from this account, and we have the pending hash, the previous hash, that should be this one, and representative, we keep the same representative, we can change it if we want, and the current balance should be 0, yes, and the amount to receive is 1 nano. Copy the block hash to the offline machine. We sign it. Copy back the signature. Paste that here and proof of work and publish. Hit F5. Boom. 1 nano. In the last guide, we are going to change this representative.